Hi guys, then we will share finish delivery. I need to unbox it. Some of this is for my friend and some for me. This is my gift for Jude's birthday. Because I need to charge it first before I give him. Maybe I will give him advance. Over. This is for my friend Taco Fisher. Sana all. This is pajama also for her. And this also pajama for her. And this for me to put sabon. And for me, t-shirt. I hope it fits. Oh, it's good small. I like it. It's just enough. Not small, not big. Still tight. But it's okay. Unbox the one food. See what's inside. Oh, it's very cute. One, two. At least you will know how to clean alone by himself. There is a guide, brush, cover, charger, one more filter. So I think I need to charge first before I give him. Happy birthday po,